Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious toffee sweets. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. This includes sugar, butter, water, and a pinch of salt. Using a good quality, heavy-bottomed pan is crucial for even heating and preventing scorching. Also, have your prepared baking sheet nearby, lined with parchment paper, so you can pour the hot toffee immediately. Now let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, water, and butter in the saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves and the butter melts. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue to cook the mixture without stirring until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is key for perfect toffee.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your delicious toffee or any other treats. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
As your mixture heats, keep a close eye on that thermometer. The hard crack stage at 300 degrees Fahrenheit is where the magic happens. As soon as it hits that temperature, remove the pan from the heat without delay. Then, working quickly and carefully, pour the molten toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Spread it evenly if needed, but be cautious as it's extremely hot. After pouring, resist the urge to touch it. Let the toffee cool undisturbed at room temperature until it is completely firm and brittle. This might take about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your kitchen's temperature. Once fully cooled, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. Store your beautiful homemade toffee in an airtight container to keep it fresh and crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.